Hi, I'm going to show you how to add product attributes to a product on your customer focused web store. Product attributes are useful for asking additional questions of your customers, things like what logo would they prefer, whether they would like something gift wrapped, basically anything that's not covered in the normal process of questioning as they go to checkout. So we start by going into the back end, into the site admin section, and clicking on products and attribute groups. Now I have several because this is my demo site already. You're going to see a blank screen and you're going to click on New Attribute Group to get started. You can give this a title for your own reference, so that could be just about anything. And you can give it a screen title as well. And this is actually important. This is what it's going to be labelled as on the screen. So let's say, for example, that this is their selection of logos. So you could say location or logo choice or anything like that. You do have the option of creating a quite sophisticated set of questions where the next set of questions are dependent on the first set of questions. So depending on what they answer, yes, no, could produce a whole new set of questions. We're not going to go there in today's presentation. We're just going to go ahead and create a simple drop-down list. So we can ignore the parent section. We're not going to have more than one set of attributes, so we can ignore the order section. We're going to make it a mandatory option and we're going to make it active. Once we've done that, we can start adding in the options that appear in the drop-down menu, and you do that in the new attribute place. So my attributes are Orange County. Now again, I can give these an order that I want them to appear in the drop-down menu. I can also, if I wanted to, assign a price to them, a value to them. So if it adds extra to have a full colour logo than it does to have a one colour logo, for example, I could put in here something like $5.95. And that would add to the price of the product on the checkout. However, this is just a simple drop-down list, so I can leave the remainder blank. Now I can create a new attribute, and let's go for San Diego County, number 2, and then finally Los Angeles, if that is a county. Okay, that's my attributes all set up. What I need to do now is go into my product, and then I can apply those attributes to the product. So here's my product, the Comfort Visor, and I can click on Edit Product Details. This is going to allow me to go into the pricing section, and in the pricing section, if I toggle the option that says Edit Product Prices, then I can add product attributes in. So it's just the option here under the price table called Add Product Attribute. All the attribute groups that I've created are in this huge drop-down list. My one is the one that I cunningly named at the bottom. And then I can go through and say which of these options do I want to appear for this drop-down. So you could create a single attribute group with hundreds of drop-downs and just pick which ones are appropriate to this particular product. Okay, once that's done, click on Check and Save Your Product. And then go back to your website to see those product changes now made on the product. So if I go ahead and click on the Comfort Visor, I should find that I can go in here and say, okay, what colour do I want? What imprint method do I want? And which attribute do I want to add to the product? And this is the selection that we just set up. Now when you get the order through from the website, not only obviously do you get all of their other selections, but you also get that choice into your cart as well. Hope that makes sense. Good luck.